What's up, everyone? How you doing today? So today I'm going to show you how to make this super good paper airplane that flies really far and super straight, alright? This is probably one of the best paper airplanes I've ever seen in my life, and I'm going to show you how to make it today. Alright, let's start. First, you want to fold the paper in half, like so. Make sure you get the fold super perfect. Crease it well, Alright, but get your creases very well. Feel free to pause this video anytime if you have to replay something that I did. Alright, fold it in half. Make sure you get that crease really well. Open it up again. Now fold this corner to that center crease that we made. Get this fold exactly perfect. Right there. Alright. Crease it well. Now fold the other corner right to that center crease. Crease it well again. Alright. Now, you wanna see this corner right here? You wanna fold it inwards again, like so, just like that, to the center crease. Alright, now, fold the other side right here to the center crease as well. Get the fold perfect. Crease it. Alright. Now, after you've done this, you have to open this up again. And you'll see you've made there'll be three creases there. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can see that. Now, you want to fold this side to this third crease right here. Like so. Right there. Like that. Same thing for the other side. Fold this to that third crease right there. Alright. Now, you want to fold this side right here, this edge, to the middle crease that we made. Like so. Now, you want to fold this side to the middle crease as well. Alright. Now, you want to fold it again, this edge to the middle. One more time, to the middle crease. Like that. Now fold this side to the middle as well. Alright, now you got that. Fold it in half, like this. Make sure you get those creases right here. Well. Alright. Now, fold this wing right here. You see this line right here? You have to fold this to this line. So you fold it exactly along it so it aligns with this bottom line right here. Like so. So this edge right here lines up perfectly with this edge. Like that. Same thing for the other side. Fold it. This edge will line up exactly with this edge. Bam. Now, get your creases as well. Alright. here it is. The awesome paper airplane right here. Now for the flight test.